During my visit to Malaysia, I visited Cameron Highlands, which is about 3 hours north of Kuala Lumpur. This is where fruits and vegetables thrive in the midst of cooler temperatures due to the high elevation. You can't miss the sight of carefully manicured tea bushes that cover the rolling hills in this area. Here, I visited the Bo Visitor Center for a quick history lesson on the tea cultivation and machineries used over the years. These leaves undergo withering, rolling, fermentation, drying, and a sorting process before they go into consumer packages. The fresh young shoots of the Camellia sinensis plant are selected for its highest caffeine and antioxidant content. They have been selectively plucked by hand for many centuries. However, with latest advancements, a mechanical harvester that looks like a hedge trimmer is used instead to speed up the process. These harvested leaves are then bagged up in the field so they can be brought to the processing plant within hours to maintain its flavors. In this tea plantation and processing plant, they offer guided tours that show you the multiple steps involved in the processing of the leaves. For this withering process, the green leaves are laid on perforated beds with continuous fan circulation for about 2 days. The goal is to reduce the water content by 40 to 50% for amino acid degradation and development of antioxidants. The withering time varies for different varieties of teas being produced. During the rolling process, these machines twist and bruise the withered leaves for about 20 minutes to break its cell structures to promote oxidation. This triggers biochemical reactions and creates new flavors. The next fermentation process is controlled here for 1 hour by manipulating the temperature, humidity, and breaking of the leaf epidermis. This is to maintain a specific ratio of theaflavins to thearubicins. During the drying process, the tea leaves are being dried in this oven for about 20 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius to reduce the moisture content down to 3 to 6%. That is ideal to halt further enzymatic reactions and to preserve the flavor of the tea leaves. Then it comes down to the sorting process to remove the coarser stalk fibers and separate the different grades of the tea leaves by density and flavor for packaging. Thank you for watching!